Hello, children. I am Joy. How are you? I am happy too. Today, we are going to play bowling. Can you say it again? Bowling. One more time. I can't hear you. Bowling. All right, good. But first, we have to do some warm-up. Are you ready? Okay, go!
1, 2, how do you do? 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, sit up straight. 9, 10, say it again.
Good! Let's play bowling. What do we need? We need an old newspaper. Newspaper. Next, we need paper cups. 10 paper cups. Can you say again? Paper cups. Next, we need a ball. Do you have a ball? Okay. Go get your ball and let's play bowling. Now I've got newspaper and then we are going to put it on the floor and paper cups on top of the newspaper. You line them up to the desired position you want and they are ready to be hit by the ball. So let's roll. Come on. Oh no, it's okay. One more try, one more time, okay? Roll the ball and make sure you hit the paper cups. Come on! Oh no! One more time! One more. Okay, good! Alright, children. So, do you like the game? Good. Then, you can play with your mommy and daddy. Okay? Have fun! Let's play bowling! Yeah! Bye-bye and see you next time.